Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, classmates. My name is Carlos Lee Supa. Here's my identification card, as you can see it. Well, for this class, I have to identify the parts of a journal article according to APA style and explain each of them. Okay, so I would like to begin by giving us a small brief about what is a journal. Well, journal is a scholarly work usually written by researchers and students, providing a critical analysis of the topic. Journal articles plays a crucial role in advancement of knowledge, allowing researchers to share the findings and actually proposing new ideas for the academic community. So for this class, I would like to use this journal article. For this class, we have to speak about procrastination. So I will have to use this journal article, Belonging to Tomorrow, and Overview on the Procrastination. Right, so the parts of journal articles are, first are the title. So as we say already, the title is Belonging to Tomorrow, an Overview of Procrastination. All right. So what contains the title? The title contains is in the first page and contains the title of the article, the author's names, and institutional affiliation. As we see over here, the author for this journal article is Brian A. Wilson, Peacock Foundation. We find over here a PO box addressed, and the other author is Tony D. Nguyen. It's a California State University. Also, as well, we have another PO box addressed and his email addressed. So this is the first part, the title. The second part, we find over here the abstract. What's the abstract? The abstract is a brief summary of this article. It should provide a quick overview of the research questions, methods, results, and conclusion. The purpose of this abstract is to give the research of the readers actually a quick preview of what's in the article entire. So as we said in the beginning, we're gonna be seeing about procrastination. Then we have the introduction of this journal article, which is this part. In the introduction, these sections provides a background and context for the research. It introduces the research questions or hypotheses that explain the significance of the study. The introduction typically ends with the statement of the study of the objectives, the hypothesis. The next part, we have methods and results. Well, what is the method? Method is where the authors detail the methodology using in this research. These include the design of the study, the participants, the materials using in this article, the goal, and the enough details actually for the other research to replicate the study of this article. The results is the section where presents the findings of the study with interpretation. It includes the statistics analysis. Sometimes we can find also graphics or tablets if it's necessary to convey the data collected on the results. These results should be clear and concise, allowing the readers to understand the outcomes of the research. As the next part, we have the discussion. The discussion is actually a section where the authors interpret the results, explaining how they fit with the existing knowledge and theory. This section often discusses the implication of the findings, acknowledgement and the limitations of the study, and they suggest for the future researchers. And then we have the conclusion. The conclusion is the last section of the journal article where the main points are summarized. In this conclusion, the author states that procrastination is a common challenge. It's a common challenges that can cause a lot of stress in our personal and professional lives. However, implementing techniques can reduce this stress and help us to set free from procrastination. And then we have the reference list of references, which is in this part that provide all the information necessarily for readers to identify the retrieve of each work, which is basically a list of every site that we have taken, where all this information has been taken. Is a list of all the authors for what we collect all this information. Basically, that will be the end of the parts of the journal article. Thanks so much, teacher. Have a wonderful one.